Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix the search option is not working in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So the first option is you have to right click on your task manager in taskbar here and go to the task manager tool, and now what you have to do, you need to find Windows Explorer from the list. So just scroll down and you will find one Windows Explorer option over there. So you have to right click over there and click on restart. After that it will take some time. The next option is you have to open Runbox on your computer, just pressing Windows and R button together from your keyboard, and after that you have to type over there services.msc. Now press enter from your keyboard. So don't worry with that, I will give you this command on my video description. So after that, here into find Windows search, so just scroll down and you will get this Windows search. So just right click over there and click on restart. Also you can do right click on this and click on stop, and again you have to right click over there and click on start. So the next option is you have to go to your control panel, just click on your start menu and type over there control, then panel, then click on this control panel, and after that from here view by you have to select large icon or small icon, whatever you want. Okay, after that scroll down and you will get one option over there is called troubleshooting. So click over there and here you will get one option is called system and security, and under system and security you will get search and indexing. So click over there and click on next, and you have to select this option file don't appear in your search result, and the third option, which is search and indexing, is slowing down the computer. And after that click on next and click on try to troubleshooting as a administrator. Okay, click on next. So now click on close the troubleshooter. So still if it is not working for your computer, then just go to your start menu and type over there cmd and right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. Now you have to put some command over there is called sfc scan, sfc /scan now, and after that press enter. So it will take some time to scan your computer. After that you have to restart your computer and it will solve your problem. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or questions then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.